My name is Marcia Johnston. This is Shane Johnston, my husband. We run Exhaust Pros Total Car Care. We do other things besides just exhaust. We are at 213 West 1st Street here in Wayne. Our hours are from 8:30 to 5:30. We also have a tow truck, so we can do towing for people. We've been in the business for 15 years in one town, and before that we were in Lincoln. We were both raised in Lincoln, and we ran shops there for about 10 years, and then we came up this way, and we seen this place open, so we came in to help, we hope, help all you guys out. I know we've had some pretty good customers, and I hope we can keep getting more of you. We'd like to really help you and everything. I got a fun fact for you. Every year, over $60 billion worth of car maintenance goes unperformed. And then here's a good one. The first speeding ticket was issued in 1896, and the speed was a whopping 8 miles an hour. And this one here is going to be for the music people. Most of the horn honks are in the key of F. I want to say thank you and hope everybody has a great day.